Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you Cash Express. So Cash Express is basically a mobile lending app that offers quick short-term personal loans without collateral. It's known for fast approval, minimal requirements, and fully online processing. So the pros of it is that it has fast approval, and it requires no collateral, and fully online application, so you don't need to go to any office or any bank or any pop-up. You can just do it from the comfort of your own home on your phone. So another pro would be that it is accessible even with limited credit history, so they won't check that. Will just offer you the money up front. Now, however, that's where the pros end. So now we get to the cons, and the cons of it is that it has high interest rates. So as you can see here, get first online loan for 7 days with the zero interest. So for the first 7 days, you will get zero interest if you pay them back within these 7 days. However, if you exceed even 1 day, the interest rate will go up like crazy. So another con is that 7 days is a really short time. So if you're really tight on cash, 1 week isn't enough to pay back any loan. So another one would be that since it's too good to be true, you get the risk of spam calls, messages if payments are missed, or maybe your information might get leaked, since the app permissions of these are pretty concerning. So they might get into your mic, in your camera. So make sure to turn off the permissions in the camera and in the mic. And yeah, that is basically it. That is basically cash loan. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.